Hey guys, welcome back to Error Math. Hope you all are studying well. In the last video, we have covered transpose of a matrix and how to represent a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So based on these two topics, we are going to solve today exercise 3.3. So without wasting any time, let us start with the first question where we have to find the transpose of each of the following matrices. Let us consider this matrix as A and the order of this matrix is 3 by 1. And in the previous video, we have seen that how to find the transpose of a matrix by interchanging rows with columns or vice versa. So here in this question, A is having a single column here. So transpose करने के बाद it will become a single row. Or in the other way, यहाँ पे 3 rows है. After transpose it will become 3 columns. And transpose में जो order होता है it is reversed in the transpose, which is in the matrix A it was 3 by 1 and in the A dash or after transpose of A it becomes 1 by 3. So the rows gets interchanged with column and the order is also reversed. In the second problem, let us take this 2 by 2 matrix as a matrix B. And similarly its transpose will be first column will become first row and second column will become second row. अब इसका order 2 by 2 है, transpose होने के बाद भी इसका order 2 by 2 ही होगा. In the third question, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So first row will become first column, second row will become second column and third row will become third column. So this is what transpose of a matrix is. If you haven't seen the video for transpose and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, then the link is in the description. Do check that video first and then come to this video. Moving for the second problem, we have given two matrix A and B and we have to verify that first A plus B the whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. And the second question is same but with subtraction here. So first question solve करते हैं हम लोग. सबसे पहले we will find A plus B. We will simply add these two matrix and after adding these two matrix, we get the answer as -5, 3, -2, 6, 9, 9, -1, 4 and 2. Also guys, if you missed the video on operation on matrix, which is addition, subtraction and multiplication, you can click on the I button and see that video. So therefore, after adding A plus B, we have to take transpose of it. So taking transpose of A plus B, we get first column -5, 6, -1 बन जाएगा first row and second column बन जाएगा second row, third column बन जाएगा third row. So this was our left hand side of the equation. Now let us solve right hand side. Here we have to add A transpose plus B transpose. So first taking transpose of A and B, A का transpose will be like this and B का transpose will be like this. And after adding these two matrix, we'll get -1, -4 as -5, 5 plus 1 as 6, -2 plus 1 as -1 and similarly for the second and third row. So finally adding A dash plus B dash, we get this matrix. So we can clearly see that equation 1 and equation 2 both are equal. So therefore we can say that A plus B the whole transpose is equals to A dash plus B dash. You can pause the video to note this down. For the second problem, again it is the same. We have to find A minus B first. After subtracting matrix B from A, we get answer as 3, 1, 8, 4, 5, 9, -3, -2 and 0. And after taking the transpose of A minus B, first row, second row, third row becomes first column, second column and third column respectively. So let us take this as equation 1. And first question में तो हमने इसका A dash और B dash find कर लिया था. We'll just subtract these two now, which is -1 plus 4, 3, 5 minus 1, 4, -2, -1, -3 and similarly for the second row and third row. And here also we can clearly see that first equation का answer is equals to second equation का answer. So therefore A minus B the whole transpose is equals to A transpose minus B transpose. You can pause this video to note this down. Moving for the third problem, here we have given A dash or A transpose and we have given a matrix B and again we have to verify जो हमने problem 2 में verify किया था. So solving for the first question, A plus B the whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. अब यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमने देखा है property में that A transpose and उसका transpose is nothing but equal to A. That means after interchanging rows and columns it will be like this. 3 by 2 वाला matrix will become 2 by 3 and this is nothing but matrix A. So we have matrix A and B here. So after adding these two matrix, we get the answer as 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. And we have to find A plus B the whole transpose. So taking transpose of this, first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Let us take this as equation 1. And again in the right hand side of the equation, we have to find A dash plus B dash. अब यहाँ पे question में A dash दिया है हमें. We have to just take B dash, which means 2 rows है यहाँ पे 2 columns हो जाएंगे. And after adding these two matrix, we get answer as 3 minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And same for the second row and third row. So after comparing equation 1 and 2, we can clearly see that both these matrices are equal. So therefore, A plus B the whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. You can pause this video to note this down. And the second question is for you. आप लोग इसको खुद solve करो, काफी easy है. I'll just show you the answers here. Moving for the fourth problem, we have given two matrix A and B and we have to find A plus 2B the whole transpose. So writing A and B in this format, A plus 2B, we have to multiply 2 with all the elements of B. It will be minus 2, 0, 2 and 4, and after adding this we get the answer as minus 2 which is minus 4, 3 plus 0 again 3, 1 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 4 it is 6, and we have to find transpose of this A plus 2B. So first row minus 4 3 बन जाएगा first column and second row बन जाएगा second column. So this is the final answer. You can pause the video to note this down. Alright, in the fifth problem, matrices A and B given and we have to verify that A into B the whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. चलो तो first question will solve. यहाँ पे हमें A into B करना है. For matrix multiplication we know that matrix A का column must be equal to matrix B का row, and the answer of A into B will be given by matrix A का row by matrix B का column, a 3 by 3 matrix. So after multiplying A into B, which is 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 1, minus 4 into minus 1, minus 4 into 2, minus 4 into 1, and for the third row it is 3 into minus 1, 6 and 3 into 1, and after multiplying all these elements the final matrix will be like this. And in the LHS we have to first find A into B the whole transpose. So taking the transpose of this matrix will be like this. Let us take this as equation 1, and in the right hand side we have to first find B का transpose and A का transpose. So B का transpose single row है, single column बन जाएगा, and A का transpose में single column है, यहाँ पे single row बन जाएगा. So same as A into B, we can do B dash into A dash, and the answer for this multiplication will be a 3 by 3 matrix. So multiplying this same as A into B, the multiplication will be like this and final answer will be like this. So let us take this as equation 2. Now we can clearly see that equation 1 and 2 are both equal. That means A into B the whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. You can pause the video to note this down. सेम एज प्रॉब्लम 1, सेकेंड वाला भी सेम है. A मैट्रिक्स और B मैट्रिक्स का हमें पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, which will be like this 0 0 1 5 7 2 10 14, and after taking transpose of this, first, second, third row will become first, second, third column respectively, and again B transpose and A transpose will find, and B into A transpose will be like this. So we can see that equation 1 and 2 are same. We will not waste any more time in second question क्योंकि ये same है as first question, सिर्फ numbers अलग है. You can pause the video to note this down. In the sixth problem, if matrix A is given like this and we have to verify that A dash into A is I. We have seen this is a property of transpose multiplication. If अगर हम लोग matrix के transpose से उसको multiply करते हैं तो आंसर हमारा identity matrix आता है. Let us verify this now. Matrix A given है हमें, हम इसका transpose लेंगे cos alpha sin alpha in first column and minus sin alpha cos alpha in second column, and multiply करने के बाद cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha minus minus becomes plus sin square alpha, and for second element it will be cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and for second row sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, यहाँ पे negative sign है, and for the last column it is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So we know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, and यहाँ पे cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, दोनों भी elements में ये cancel हो जाएंगे. So this matrix becomes 1 0 0 1. This is nothing but identity matrix. So hence it is verified that A dash into A is nothing but an identity matrix. In the seventh problem, we have to show that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. So we have seen in the previous video that symmetric matrix is nothing but अगर A का हम लोग transpose करेंगे, so it will be equal to A. So let us see how symmetric matrix is. हमें matrix A दिया, will simply take transpose of this. First row 1 minus 1 5 will become first column, second row minus 1 2 1 will become second column, and third row 5 1 3 will become third column. So we can clearly see that हमारा A और A dash दोनों भी same है. So therefore the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. And in the second question we have to show that matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. So matrix A हमें given है, यहाँ पे हम लोग इसका transpose लेंगे. First row, second row, third row will become first column, second column and third column respectively. And taking out the negative sign from this matrix, it will be like this 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0. So this is nothing but matrix A only. So we can say that A dash is equals to negative of A. That means A dash is equals to minus A. So this is nothing but the condition for a skew symmetric matrix. So therefore we can say that matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. So this is how we identify a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. You can pause the video to note this down. And in the 8th problem, we have to verify that for matrix A, first A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So quickly we will find matrix A ka transpose and we will add these two matrix 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 again 11 and 7 plus 7 it is 14. So that means iska transpose will be 2 11 ban jayega first column and 11 14 ban jayega second column. So this is nothing but A plus A dash. We can clearly see that A plus A dash, the whole transpose is equals to A plus A dash only. So hence it is verified that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. And for the second question, we'll simply subtract A minus A dash, which is 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5 1 and 7 minus 7 0. एंड इसका ट्रांसपोज अगर लेंगे तो 0 माइनस 1 फर्स्ट रो में 1 0 सेकेंड रो में एंड इफ वी टेक आउट द नेगेटिव साइन दिस बिकम्स 0 minus 1 1 0 which is nothing but A minus A dash only with a negative sign outside. So here also A minus A dash the whole transpose is equals to minus A minus A dash. Hence it is verified that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. You can pause the video to note this down. In the 9th problem, we have to find 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose and 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose and matrix A is given. Matrix A ka transpose will be like this and after substituting in this equation half of matrix A plus A transpose and 0 plus 0 it is 0, A minus A 0, B minus B 0, again minus A plus A 0, 0 0 0 सारे 0. अभी हाफ अकेला बाहर क्या करेगा, इसको भी अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. So the final answer for half into A plus A dash is 0 and इस वाले equation के लिए half into A matrix minus A transpose which is 0 minus 0 is 0 and A minus of minus A which is 2A, B minus of minus B which is 2B and minus A minus 2A, C minus minus C which is 2C and minus B minus 2B minus C minus 2C and after multiplying half into each and every element of this matrix ये सारे 2 हो जाएंगे cancel. It will be 0 AB minus A 0 C and minus B minus C 0. So this is our final answer. You can pause this video to note this down. So in the 10th problem we have to express the following matrices as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So अब यहाँ पे मैं solve करूँगा question number 1 and 3 and you will solve question number 2 and 4 by yourself. So देखते हैं कि कैसे हम इसको express करते हैं as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let us take this matrix as A and the expression for sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix is given like this, which is A is equals to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. अब यहाँ पे ये जो इक्वेशन है इसको हम लोग P कंसिडर करते हैं और इस इक्वेशन को हम लोग Q कंसिडर करते हैं. हमें थोड़ा इजी होगा सॉल्व करने के लिए. सो सॉल्विंग फॉर P हाफ इंटू मैट्रिक्स A प्लस A डैश सिंपली 3 5 रो बन जाएगा 3 5 कॉलम और 1 माइनस 1 सेकेंड रो बन जाएगा 1 माइनस 1 सेकेंड कॉलम एंड एडिंग दीज टू इट विल बी हाफ इंटू 6 प्लस 6 minus 2 and half अगर multiply करेंगे with each and every element it will be 3 3 3 and minus 1. So this is matrix P and इसका transpose P dash will be equal to P again. So that means P is a symmetric matrix. तो ये हमारा first part हो गया. For the second part we have to find Q is equals to half of A minus A dash. Again हम इसको equation में as it is लिखेंगे A और A transpose को. We'll subtract these two equation which is 0 4 minus 4 and 0. After multiplying half with each and every element it will be 0 2 minus 2 and 0 and taking transpose of this it will be 0 minus 2 2 and 0 और इसमें से हम लोग ने अगर माइनस साइन बाहर ले लिया so Q dash become minus of matrix Q. That means Q is a skew symmetric matrix. तो हमने P और Q दोनों फाइंड कर लिया है. P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So to express as sum of P and Q, we will simply write this as A is equals to P plus Q. So it will be A matrix only, which is 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. So this is how we express any matrix as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. You can pause the video to note this down. So second question आप लोग खुद solve करेंगे and to cross check I'll show you the answer. We'll solve question number 3. Here also we have given matrix A of 3 by 3 matrix and let us first find here P which is P is equals to half of A plus A dash. तो a डैश फाइंड करने के बाद इस इक्वेशन में हम लोग पुट करेंगे एंड आफ्टर एडिंग दीज टू मैट्रिक्स इट विल बी 6 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 and 4 and after multiplying half into each and every element it will be एक आंसर होके 3 हो जाएगा, ये -2 हो जाएगा, -2 एंड 2 एंड जो भी 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है उसको हम लोग एज इट इज लिखेंगे विच इज 1/2 एंड -5/2 एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स विच इज P डैश, अगेन ये सेम आएगा, दैट मीन्स P इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. फॉर दिस इक्वेशन Q इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ A माइनस A डैश. A डैश हमने यहाँ पे फाइंड किया है, सिंपली हम यहाँ पे A माइनस A डैश करेंगे. सो दिस विल बी लाइक दिस एंड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग हाफ इनटू ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट इट बिकम्स लाइक दिस and taking transpose of matrix Q it becomes 0 minus 5/2 minus 3/2 5/2 0 minus 3 3/2 3 and 0. Taking out the negative sign from this matrix it is nothing but matrix Q. So that means Q dash is equals to minus Q, which is the condition for a skew symmetric matrix. So finally expressing this as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix it will be like this. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो हमें matrix A मिल जाएगा as it is. अभी आप खुद ऐड करके देखो कि A आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं and you can pause this video to note this down. Again ये fourth sum same solve करना है and you have to solve this question by yourself. So moving for the 11th problem we have given if A and B are symmetric matrices of same order then A into B minus B into A is a, ये सारे options है. Alright, so in the question we have given that A and B are symmetric matrix. That means A dash is equals to A and B dash is equals to B and these are of same order. तो इसका मतलब A dash और B dash का भी order same होगा. हम लोग इसका multiplication और subtraction easily कर सकते हैं और उसका भी order same होगा. So let us see that A into B minus B into A का transpose क्या होता है सबसे पहले. So AB minus BA the whole transpose. We can split this transpose into individual, which is AB का whole transpose minus BA का whole transpose. And with the property we know that AB the whole transpose is equals to B dash into A dash. And similarly for BA the whole transpose it will be A dash into B dash. तो अब हम यहाँ पे B dash और A dash को A और B लिख सकते हैं because it is given that A and B are symmetric matrices. So writing B dash and A dash as B and A we get this as BA minus AB and taking out the negative sign from this equation it will be minus of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA यहाँ पर भी AB minus B है. So that means AB minus BA का transpose is equals to negative of the same. So this is the condition for skew symmetric matrix. अगर हम matrix A का transpose करते हैं और उसका आंसर हमें negative of A मिलता है, that means it is a skew symmetric matrix. So therefore the correct answer here is A. Moving for the 12th problem, we have given a matrix A of trigonometric functions and we have given that A plus A dash is equals to I and we have to find the value of alpha. So let us write all the matrix in this format which is A plus A dash. It will be matrix A और इसका A dash is equals to identity matrix. अब इनको ऐड करेंगे तो cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha और माइनस माइनस ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, ये भी माइनस माइनस है ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 2 cos alpha. So after equating these two matrix, we can clearly see that 2 cos alpha is equals to 1. That means cos alpha is equals to 1/2. So cos half कब होता है? जब angle 60 degree होगा. That means alpha must be equal to pi/3. So B is the correct answer. You can pause this video to note this down. So that's it guys, this was the last question of this exercise 3.3. If you have any doubt in any question then rewind the video and see that question again. I hope you understand all the questions easily and try to solve more types of questions on these topics. So in the next video we are going to see elementary transformation and invertible matrices and how to find inverse of a matrix using elementary transformation. So till then practice all the previous topics and if you are new to error math then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notification for our every new video. And if you find our videos helpful then do share with your friends. So guys, stay safe and study well. See you in the next video.